So my project essentially has been to create a workshop on campus to recycle plastic on a smaller scale. That's the whole gist of it. I've built a shredder machine that's going to take whatever plastic waste students want to bring to the space and shred it down into smaller pieces that you can put in these molds where you'll stick it in an oven, melt it down, and turn it into whatever new product you want. The end goal, the point of this whole thing is to allow students to have a different alternative to recycling. Because currently, the recycling rate in Texas is only like 30%, and of what you put in a recycling bin, only 25% of that actually gets recycled. So if we could give students and the Texas State community an alternative option for recycling, that's really the goal. The whole project has given me light to how bad the pollution problem is and also how difficult it is to solve it, which is why there still needs to be more innovation, more research into how to fix that kind of stuff.